Okay, so in this lab, we'll do the installation or AD of AD Connect. Okay, so we're gonna prepare the integration between the ADDS and AD Connect. This will be amazing lab. So this is important in hybrid configuration. Okay, so I have a tenant here, and the name here is of my global admin is Dev Malta, and I can see that I have my Azure Active Directory here. And I can see that the name of my domain, actually it's on Microsoft.com something, okay? So if you go here in default directory, you will see the name of my primary domain name. Remember that if you want to do integration between, of course, the DC and your Azure AD, you must have, the same domain name here. So you can see that I have here, if I go here on my let's go here on my user and computer here. I can see that the name is contoso.com. Okay, so it must be the same name. Okay, if you have like a lab or non-routable domain, you will have to change the UPN. Okay, so but the prefix. But for the meantime, I'm gonna go here on my custom domain name, and I'm gonna add, of course, contoso.com. So I'm going to go here and click on add custom domain name, and inside that I will add contoso.com because it's the name of my domain on premise. Okay, so this is contoso.com. I'm going to click on add domain, and on the contoso.com custom domain page, review the DNS record type that you would use to verify the domain. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is the txt file. So this one you must normally add it, okay, to your public DNS. Okay, so while in general you would use a DNS record to verify domain, this lab doesn't require the use of verified domain. Okay, we cannot verify it. Okay, because actually my domain it's a local domain. Okay, so now I'm going to create a user with the global admin role. Okay, so I'm going to go here on new user. So on all user here, I will select, of course, new user. So I'm going to select here user, and I'm going to click to new username. I must just type the identity, okay, and username and password. So you must enter the domain name drop down menu for the username, and it's and here of course oh sorry, I must add my my new global here first. Sorry about that. So I must go in Active Directory. Oh, did at the, sorry, I'm just going to see something, because just to be sure that I have my custom domain name. Yeah, it's here. I couldn't verify it, of course. So I'm going to go user here, and here I must add a new global admin role. So I'm gonna go here on create a new user. Okay, so create a new user. And on the username and name, I'm going to type admin here. Okay, so admin and admin. And you can see that actually it's this one, okay, because this is the global admin. And I'm going to go now on password, and on password, I'm going to do show password, okay. I'm going to note this password, so I'm going to put in notepad. Never do that in production, of course, and because I will have to change it after this password. Okay, cool. And now I'm going to change the role. Okay, so on role here, I'm going to say it's a global admin role. So I'm going to select global admin something, and it's going to be a global admin role. This role is very important. Okay, but you need it for AD Connect. Okay, and in the user's location here, I'm going to put United States. This is very important if you want to add some license. You need to have a locale, where you're working actually. I'm going to say United States here, and I'm going to do a create here. Okay, So this is my my new name here. So if I do a refresh, I would have my global admin here. Okay, so that's good. And here I have my new admin account here. So now I need to change the password for the user, the global admin. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna take my fully qual domain name. So if I go in admin here, this is my the name of my account. So I'm gonna go put it here, and this is the name of my account here. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and do sign out. Sign out. Okay, and here on the pick an account, I'm going to say use another account here, and I will take this one because I need to change the password. This is very important user here. So I'm going to go here and do admin here, and of course I'm going to take the password and I will have to change it. So I'm going to do a sign in here, and I'm going to type a password. So my current password is this one. Okay, that's good. And I'm going to type a password, a strong password. Okay, so you must record the password you use as you will use it later in the lab. Okay, so I'm going to type my password, and I'm going to do sign in. So I'm going to skip that now. This is to protect your account. I don't want it now or in the meantime. Okay, cool. So I'm connected now with my new user here. So this is the first exercise, okay? So this exercise is to install the prerequisite. Remember that you need a global admin, and you remember that we added a custom domain name. So now in the next section, we'll prepare my on-premise Active Directory for Azure AD integration. So let's do that in the next video.